Hey everybody, Phil with Mission Wandor here. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about our gold cube and the setup for the extra items. So I went ahead and got the gold banker system. So I have, of course, the top piece for the banker that goes on everything, and we have the 4 tubs with the various dream mats inside of it. Recently I bought a tub flange, and the reason for this is the banker system, with this set up right with four of the systems, or 4 pieces in there, gives a little bit of an issue on clearance of the tubs. The new bankers are a little bit too wide to stick the tubs the other way. The feet get in the way, so it's not going to sit properly. So I found these other tubs that fit perfectly underneath, and let me come around here and show you. Say they're Husky 19-gallon Pro Grip storage containers. You can get these at Home Depot. They're perfect. Now I went ahead and added, of course, little spigots on the end of mine that I can remove when I go to, if I have to take this on site somewhere, and then just put them back on. Not a big deal. But with this flange system here, what's nice about this is we're going to connect the two with a piece of PVC in between. And to do this, we need, first off, just a drill bit and something to measure it, deciding where we're going to put it. This drill bit is 2 3/4 inches, so you'll need that if you go ahead and do this system. And I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then I will show you afterwards. Okay, so we're working on this still. We have one flange in place. We have the outer plate, the flange that goes with it, the rubber flange, and then we have an inner plate right here that goes along on the inside. And we're going to go ahead and do the same thing over here. We'll drill out our holes after we position it, and then we will connect up the pipe afterwards. See you in a moment. Okay, so we have the flanges both in, and the PVC pipe just kind of goes right through there. We put the T on the one end, and to just break down, all we do is pull the pipe back through. So it just has the rubber gasket around it, holding the water in place if we need to. And then, of course, we have our other items over here, our spigots from the one side. But I will take and leave some links down below so you can see where to purchase this at. And next we're going to set this back up to how it should look and try it out. Alright, so everything's together now. I did put a towel actually between the flanges just in case, but I did not see any leaks. So everything's nice and level now. We have the gravel gate on the top. Looks pretty good.